Now, we continue to talk about harm of the blacklisted domain. Once a domain name is blacklisted, it means that the domain is considered risky. What would happen if it's risky? First, your site would be downgraded by search engines such as Google or Bing. Second, your domain may be blocked by search engines, also Google or Bing or Yandex. The third, it may cause damage to the reputation of the website and affect the trust of search engines or users on the website. For example, if your customers or your suppliers find that your website can't be opened and embarrassing again. The fourth, there would be other potential harm to your website SEO. There would be other potential harm to your website's SEO after you start your SEO 6 months later or even 1 year later, even longer. The second harm, mark it as spam if it is blacklisted. Even you have sent messages or emails to your clients, but they cannot find your emails in their inboxes. So what's happening? Maybe both you and your clients or suppliers may get puzzled. The third harm, it is likely to mean that the website has security vulnerabilities such as having been hacked, spreading malware, etc. Let's stop the harm together. Please comment thirdbro666 if you'd like this PPT. See you next time.